Our life truly comes into harmony when we neither resist what we don't want nor cling to what we do. We instead find the middle way and we learn to allow, to just be in the moment, to flow in harmony with the rhythm of life. To help keep you in that steady, still space, I've designed a shawl for you named Harmonious, and it couldn't be simpler. Every stitch is a knit stitch. You'll just need some yarn, some scissors, and needles. And if you would like to download this pattern, you'll find it at expressionfiberarts.com. To begin your shawl, let's begin by casting on our desired number of stitches, leaving an extra long tail. For row 1, you're just going to go ahead and knit every stitch all the way across the row. And you know I love to pick a word or phrase and repeat it like a mantra for simple patterns like these. So every few stitches, repeat that phrase for this row. It will help to keep your mind focused on the moment and allowing what is rather than resisting or clinging. And that isn't to say we don't take action or try to change things. However, when confronted with something uncomfortable, we first center ourselves. We can start with a deep breath, look out at nature, see the birds hopping in the grass, the clouds lazily drifting by, hear the wind singing to you as it ruffles the trees. And then from that still, calm space, we can take action. And it will come from a beautiful place within, a higher space, a space of love and connection. And we can then do what best serves everybody involved. And that is flowing with the harmony of life. And it's a beautiful thing. For row 2, again, you're just going to knit every stitch. Repeat the same phrase or a different one. You get to choose. Wouldn't it be lovely to choose a new phrase each row and write them all down in your journal? You will have a gorgeous poem at the end that you could give as a gift with this shawl. When you've completed row 2, cut your yarn and leave a nice long tail. This will turn into our fringe. So cut about 2 inches longer than you'll want your fringe to be, as we'll need to trim it later. You can leave your stitches loose if you like, or go ahead and tie them in a knot like we did on this version for extra security. Then just continue repeating those 2 rows, changing colors as you like until the shawl is the size that you love. And then you're just going to bind off when finished. And before long, you are going to be wrapped in a warm, delightfully fringed shawl that will remind you that your life can be a beautiful expression of clarity, peace, and joy. A life lived in this way would be a lovely thing. Take good care of yourself. Relax into the rhythm that life is constantly playing for you. It's singing you a lullaby of love, of beauty, and of peace.